Occasionally I'll get emails from customers asking how to convert bitmap textures to vector. So these are vector textures now because I've converted them. Let me show you how to do that. So I'm just going to place one of the textures from the Plastisol collection. This is Plastisol 1. And these are very high resolution bitmap textures. They have automatic transparency in Illustrator. So you can just assign them your background color, and you can also use a method called the opacity mask method to knock transparency through your design. I've got another video on that, but this video is going to be about turning these textures into vector format. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to use the image trace function in Illustrator, but there's some settings that will make this more ideal. So let's go to Window, Image Trace, and what you want to do here is leave your threshold at 128, bring your paths to 90, bring your corners to 90, and bring your noise to 10 pixels. You're going to want to turn off this snap curves to lines and turn on ignore white. And before we hit trace, actually what we want to do is, if you plan to do a bunch of conversions, you want to save a preset. So you can just save this to convert bitmap to vector. Then you can always just go back to that, select it, and click trace. And the last thing you need to do is just go up here and click expand, and now you have a vector texture. And you can also use that, you can also match that with your background color. Or like I said, you can use that opacity mask method to knock transparency through your design. And that's how you convert a bitmap texture to vector.